Hello guys, welcome to another piano tutorial. And so today I'm going to play an Easter song. Happy Easter to us all, wherever you are in the part of the world. I wish you the best, just the best, as Christ resurrects with our sins. And so today I'm going to play a song which talks more of this Easter. How Christ came, died for the sins of mankind on the cross of Calvary. And so I'll play the song. It's titled "Worthy is the Lamb." It's a very soul refreshing song. And so I'll play in the key of C and I give you full piano tutorial. Let's go. So I'm gonna break it here for you guys. Alright guys, so it's a very simple chord progression. It's not difficult. So I'm gonna start with the verse 1. Alright, I'll play just one verse. I'll sing just one, play just, okay? So it's one. Thank you for the right F major, 5 major 1. Thank you for the price you paid, buried all my 5 and 6 and 7 and 4 and 4 and 1 and 5 and 4 and 1, so 2 and 5. Alright, the same. The other one, thank you for this love, Lord. The same thing. Alright. Worthy is the Lamb. Alright. That's worthy is the Lamb is like the chorus of the song. Alright. 1, 1, and 5 and 6 and 6 and 6 and 4 and 5 and 5 and and far. I take it again. Worthy is slowly the Lamb seated on the throne, the treasure of heaven. Alright. Your victory. She major. Lifted up. He's a son of God. The treasure of love. Sing worthy is the Lamb. Worthy is the Lamb. Alright, guys, I hope you learned something. It's a very sweet, nice, and beautiful song. I hope you grab something there. Even though I wasn't perfect, but I hope I tried my best. Do wait to subscribe to my channel. God bless you.